Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 3 new ways on how to make money watching videos, and you're going to make some real quick PayPal cash using these 3 methods. So I'm going to show you right now, so let's get started. So before I get started, I just want to mention that these 3 ways aren't going to make you huge money. And if you want to make some money that is passive online income, like the way I make money online, check out the second link in the video description. And it's going to make you some real online cash passively. And so it's a great online business model that you could build an online business with and make some real money, okay? So let's get started with these 3 sites that I'm going to show you today. Oh, one more thing I want to mention before I get started to the first site is that all 3 sites are for 13 years and up, okay? So if you're age 13 and up, you're good. So it could be anybody from 13 years old, okay? All right, so the first site that you can watch videos to make money with and earn some PayPal cash is at Gain.gg. This site, you can do several things. So it's like a get paid to site. This is the front page for it, okay? So you get rewarded for watching videos and completing tasks. You earn Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Coinbase funds, Upskins points, Bitcoin, or PayPal funds. Finally, PayPal showed up. I was like, I know you pay PayPal. Where is it? Okay, so how this works is that you're going to earn, okay? So you're going to choose from our massive selection of hundreds of offers to complete. You're going to shop through our huge range of withdrawal methods to find the one you want, and then you're going to withdraw to your favorite currency and spend it however you like. So there's been already 283 million coins earned, and so many tasks and so many people already signed up with this. So let's go to the Earn tab here. So what do they have? This is how you can earn. You could take on offers, okay? So these different tabs you can go into is basically you can go into to look for like trial offers or signups or things that you can kind of do to make some money with it. So just be careful of the offer wall, because sometimes they will ask for a credit card and you will need to kind of cancel your trial before it's over so that you don't get charged, okay? So just be aware of that. The next thing you can do is actually complete surveys to earn points, and then you can also watch videos. There's pay per ad. Choose a video category below to watch videos. You will receive 8 coins for every 3 ads watched. And there are a lot of different ones that you can check out here. And these are videos by different categories, so you just pick the one that you like, and you could just basically watch them in the background and have a bunch playing in the background, okay? So to make sure this was a site that paid out, let's see, to withdraw, see, you got these options here, and you also have gift cards, okay? So PayPal is one of them, so that's why I want to show you this. And so I just want to give you some payment proof, and this is from the Beer Money Forum, and this is talking about this at Gain.gg and if they have payment proof, and this is the payment proof right here. 40 cents. So they have a very low minimum payout, which is a very good thing, but you can also pay out in cryptocurrency as well. And so there's other people that have some. See, this is another proof. This is for the cryptocurrency that they earned right here. This site is definitely paying out, so if you want to check that out, that's great. Here I found a review on Trustpilot for Gain.gg, and it's at 4.0 out of 5, but it's only a very little reviews, only 59 people reviewed, but majority is 78% is 5 stars, so it's a great review nonetheless. So I just want to point this out so that you have an idea of what other people are reviewing. So let's go on to the next site. So the second site is at GG2U.org. So this is another site you can use to earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. And they choose to, you can choose to pay out these 3 different methods. And one of the methods is, of course, PayPal. And then there's also Bitcoin and e-gift cards. Our surveys and offer walls will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry, it says. A huge 65 to 85%, whereas the other ones are more around 40 to 60%. So you get to have a sign up bonus of $1 here. You just got to sign up and probably need to confirm your email and to get your dollar. So it says easy ways for you to earn. You're going to be rewarded for things like playing games, answering survey questions, signing up at sites, installing apps. You can even earn extra while playing your video games and doing other things, and simply have your videos playing in the background. Yeah, that's why I tell people all the time, you don't actually have to watch those videos. You could just let it play in the background. So if you are under 18, it says that if you're under 18 or you don't have PayPal or Coinbase, you can redeem your earnings for an e-gift card instead. So you could do that, okay? So you don't have to be 18. You could be 13 and up to sign up to all of these sites that I'm showing you actually, okay? Just to make sure you guys know. So this Gain.gg is also 13 and up. Okay, so this one's also 13 and up, and they also have payout of PayPal, and I also found payment proof for this one as well. So this one, I'm still on the Beer Money forum to show you the proof here. So there is a minimum payout of $7, it sounds like. So here is the payout. GGU2.org has sent you $11.40, so that's very good. So the reviews for this one on Trustpilot for GG2U.org is even better than the last one, which is at 4.5 star. Okay, so with 89% at excellent, that's a very good rating, and 129 people have rated this one. So this is gonna be a really good one to try. Okay, so it is even better than the first one. So this got payment proof and a good rating. So this is gonna be a good one for you to try. Okay, and the next site I was gonna show you is called Idle Empire, and it's found at idle-empire.com. And so this one kind of works similar to the other ones. Okay, so what you do is step one, you're going to sign up. No extra registration needed. You can immediately sign up to our platform with your already existing Steam account. Oh, so yeah, if you have a Steam account, you're already signed up. We also support other ways like through Google or Facebook, Twitter, or Discord. Okay, so you can sign up through the other ways as well. Then you can do different things to earn points and complete tasks and offer walls, watching videos, mine cryptocurrencies, invite friends, and so forth to earn points. And then once you have collected a bunch of points, you can exchange them for skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies. We support different markets which allow you to withdraw skins for several popular games. So this is a really good one for gamers, okay? So let's look at the earn. How to earn. So they have surveys here, offer walls and offers, mining. This is servers. So just be AFK on our game servers. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not going to pretend I know what this is, okay? This has to do with something with games, obviously, game servers. And then you can watch unlimited videos. And you can also make referrals to earn even more. So there's a lot more ways here to earn for this site than the other two sites. And the withdrawal, I want to show you, see, they do have PayPal balance as an option under gift cards. And so you could do that, but you need 30,000 points to get PayPal. And I just also want to give you some payment proof that this one is also paying. And so this one is payment proof of the cryptocurrencies that it paid out. See, from Idle Empire. And then also there's a payment proof of, this is the inside where things are being completed and they are getting the points that they were promised. Okay, now here is the Trustpilot for this Idle Empire, and it looks like this is going to be the best site for you to use because it's got the most reviews with over 8,000 reviews and a solid 5-star, okay, with 92% at excellent. Wow, so this one's going to be a really good one for you guys to use. So I hope you guys use this last one for sure. And you know what? Maximize your earnings. Use all three. It doesn't matter because you can earn on all of them and they all pay out. So it may be because Idle Empire is earning a lot more than the other ones. I'm not sure, but you're going to have to do that research yourself. So again, I was telling you how these three sites will make you some money definitely online here. And so if you have that money, save it so that you can invest in yourself and learn some real online skills like the program that I told you about in the beginning of the video. Is the second link in my video description. Check that out because that's going to earn you a lot more money and you can earn passively with such a business model because it's going to be an internet business model where you can earn passively doing online things, okay? So if you use this business model, you could generate a huge online income if you want. If you work hard enough, you will make consistent a full-time online income like this. So check out that second link in my video description and I'll see you there, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to get notified so you can see when my next videos come out. I come out with videos every week, and so get notified so you see when they come out. All right, guys, so I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye.